Hello, welcome to the unboxing of the Koogeek Smart Switch 1 Yang. And what this basically is it's the AU version for the Smart Switch, so you can use it with HomeKit and don't need to rely on smart bulbs. So let's open it up. I'm looking for a solution like that for some time now, and that's because I want a switch that I can push and it will function as a relay, so it will turn on and off the light that's connected to it, but it should as well be controllable over the HomeKit app. So if I push it and it turns on, I want to shut it off via the app, or like I can set it up that when I leave the house it should check if every light is out, and if not, then it will turn it off. Okay, so then we have some screws, and as far as I think here, something else inside here. So let's glance at the manual. Okay, some pretty basic stuff. I'll find it, and that's it actually. Okay, so let's get some measurements going. Let's start with the weight. So it's 108.8 grams. Not bad. And let's check the outer diameter. So that's like 85.4 millimeters. And I guess it's symmetrical, 85.35 millimeters, and the switch itself 70 millimeters. Okay, so let's look how deep it goes. So 42.5, and if we look at the how deep it goes inside the wall, that will be around 30 millimeters. Sounds like that was planned. And let's check. I guess this is the fixed spot, 48.78 millimeters, and the narrowest one, 46.8. Yeah. Let's check the width here. 7.92 millimeters, and I think I measured everything interesting. Yeah, so thanks for watching, hope this helps, and see you in the next one.